Welcome back to Dome Speed Shop. On this episode, we're going to swap out the reverse lights and license plate lights in my 2015 Silverado to LEDs. Let's check it out! Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do here, drop your tailgate to expose the two screws on the side of the taillight housing. Make sure you got the right torque spit, because these are torque spits. Unfortunately, it's a T15. You either get a torque screwdriver or impact driver. And politely get these out. Try not to go too hard on these because it has those awesome little clips that GMs always have. They strip out after like the third time you take anything apart, so be careful. Or, you know, have a spare clip around. Or throw sheet metal screws on you. I don't know how you party. Now that you get your screws out, those are those clips I was talking about earlier. These strip out all the time if you're not careful. So during real installation, be real gentle. Don't over torque them. Your reverse lights, your middle one here, bulb just pulls out. Now, if you notice, I already have the LED in here. Because I've done this previously, but this is real straightforward. You take out your old, your factory bulb, your halogen bulb out, halogen, whatever, bulb out, put your LED in. These are directional. So what you're going to want to do, put it in there. Before you put this all back together, either hit your key fob or chalk your front wheel, roll the ignition forward, put your truck in reverse to see if your reverse lights light up. If you choose to do it that way, obviously you're not doing the truck running. Just keep in the forward position. Your wheels are chalked so your truck doesn't roll anywhere. You're just doing it to light up the bulb. As soon as you confirm the bulb's lit up, you'll put the truck back in park. It's just the way I've done it. I'd rather do it the key fob way. After you confirm the bulb lights up, go to reverse everything you just did here. Lock your socket in. Don't get hooked on the opposite side there. Go and put your screws in. Start them by hand, so you go in clean. I'm actually going to put my impact driver on the lowest setting, so I just run these in quietly. Boom, it's in. Then you can go ahead and remove your impact driver and any other tools. Go and shut your tailgate. You're all set. Same can be repeated for your taillights. Make sure if you decide to go with the LED taillights, if it's the one that affects your turn signal bulb, make sure you do your research. Make sure that's not gonna affect the flasher and the speed your turn signal works at. Now your license plate lights are fairly straightforward. Go to reach under here, find your bulb, turn it counterclockwise. Bulb just drops down. So it's kind of hard to see right here. Let me give you a closer look. Now right here, obviously your light bulb socket. Once again, I got the LED already installed, but plugged straight in just like the other one. And up here you got your housing. As I feel around my finger. There we are. Get your housing for it right there. Pull it back out, it's counterclockwise. Reinstall, you and turn clockwise. Turn clockwise, locks it in, you're all set. I will strongly urge you when buying LED bulbs, there's a lot of different types out there now. These are all eBay specials. I think this pack is actually from Amazon. These are 194s. The heads too fit to fit anything automotive related. that I found. Garbage. These are off eBay. These are the 3157, so this would be taillights. You can go with something like this for taillights, it's alright, but with your reverse lights, you really want to go with something bright. And then these are some knockoff fog lights that are complete garbage that for my Dodge, also garbage. And that being said, I didn't go with the knockoff bulbs again this time. I got some Sylvania bulbs from, I think, either Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone. And granted, I think they're like 20 bucks a set now. So, one for each reverse light, one for each complete light. Well worth money. They're brighter than anything I've grabbed in the past. But since they're LED, they'll last probably longer than you'll have that truck. Probably. Once you have it for 20 years, then we'll probably have something nicer than LED by now. That's all there is to it, guys. Real quick and easy modification that makes your truck look a little newer, brightens it up a little bit, and personally I love it for backing up at night. Really lights up the whole back of the truck, makes it real easy to see. And if you have a truck with a backup camera, it's like having another set of headlights going out of a windshield almost. It makes a huge difference and really just improves the look of the truck. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Like, comment, subscribe.